Talkpal versus Elsa Speak. Let's get started. So let's start with Talkpal. Talkpal is an AI conversation app catering to over 55 languages, and it offers interactive chat, role plays, phone call simulations, and debate modes designed to improve speaking fluency in context. Elsa Speak, on the other hand, is a pronunciation-focused coach for English. It uses AI to pinpoint mispronunciations at the phoneme level, offers drills, video feedback, and real-time metrics to sharpen your accent. Let's talk about their pros. So Talkpal offers a language variety and engaging formats like roleplay, debates, simulated calls, which can enhance oral fluency. It's also useful for intermediate or higher level learners building conversational confidence. Elsa Speak, on the other hand, offers and provides phoneme level feedback telling you exactly which sounds needs correction, a level of detail hard to find elsewhere, and it also uses a science-based method for pronunciation drills and boasts features like IELTS, prep, and accent trading. So choose TalkPal if you want conversational scenario-based speaking practice across multiple language, more immersive formats like phone calls and debates, and choose as a speak if you're looking to have more precision-focused pronunciation, improvement in English, and a clear guidance on specific sounds like vowel, consonants, clarity, and word stress.